Ever been told cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Well, that's one of the biggest health myths out there. Researchers have studied this for decades, and guess what? There's zero evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. The popping sound actually comes from gas bubbles in your joint fluid. Totally harmless, unless you're overdoing it to the point of pain or swelling. So next time someone yells at you for cracking, hit them with the facts and follow for more myth-busting truths.